Hello, this is Chris Rochnut, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing and showcasing the FeiyuTech SPG2. This is a smartphone gimbal. It's motorized. There is a USB port on top for charging. They give you a bunch of chargers right here. Lightning, USB Type-C, micro USB. We like that a lot. There's a battery in here already. It's a very large battery, and that's why you can charge the device and power this at the same time. Comes with a micro USB cable to charge this unit right here. And it also comes with a small like tripod device you can screw into the bottom. You don't have to use this. You can also, because it uses a standard screw on the bottom, as you can see here, you can just plug in any tripod you want. So this is the SPG2. So it's off right now. And then what happens when you turn it on, there you go. So now it's fully motorized gimbal. As you can see, I can move my hand. It pretty much stays wherever you want it to stay right there. So here's the USB port on top. That's where you plug in one of these cables right here to charge your device at the same time. This also has USB connector on the side, and you can also connect it sideways. There are buttons as well, and fine control right here. If you take a look down here, I'm doing this and it's moving fine control right there. So you don't even have to move your hand, you can just do that. And various turning left and right, up and down with this control as well. We like that, so you can just keep it steady if you want. So this is the FeiyuTech SPG2. We have reviewed many of these gimbals before, but we really like this gimbal for the smartphone. It's fantastic. You can also go sideways with it. There's buttons all over this device, and the battery's quite big, but the battery's dying, so we're going to turn it off right now. And that's basically it. You can update the firmware with the app over Bluetooth, and it comes in this nice little carry case as well. This is Chris Rochnut, 24K on Twitter. Thank you.